focus on excellence in doing whatever they can do and do it right. And just believe that if you do things the right way, in the most ethical and with high integrity, you will succeed.
Never ever get disheartened by any kind of obstacles you run into, because these are the opportunities which are going to bring out the best in you.
Be always courageous. Always courageous, be always bold. Over the years, I have enough courage that I can challenge people. I wish I could have that courage at the start of my career. So that is the one thing which I believe that everyone should be taking away.
The more you learn, the more you earn. Live as if you're going to die tomorrow. Learn as if you're going to live forever.
Whatever they have studied, whatever they want to practice, whatever they want to excel, if at all they focus their attention, concentration, efforts towards this direction of indigenization, I think that is the best justice that they can do to the country, because country is now dreaming for Viksit Bharat.
Collaborate, interact, make our world a very beautiful place to live. And you are the people to do it. I'm extremely optimistic and I encourage you to do that.
The change is constant. Remember this. The world is moving very fast. So adaptability is going to be the key for the future success.
Go and engage with the world, go and learn, and also develop resilience in yourselves. The world is changing very fast on all dimensions of economy, technology, people's aspirations, and so on and so forth.
With a world full of opportunities, there is room for everyone in tomorrow. And this university has actually given the foundation, the strength of analytics and sound business sense to all the graduating students to actually go out there and change the future.
With the world being hit by climate change, we all need to think sustainability, and these are the young people who can make that change.
Everybody will tell you, work hard. I will tell you, work smart and stay connected.
Continuous learning, continuous skilling, and never stop putting your efforts 300%. Success is guaranteed.
Be resilient in your careers, in your life. Focus on your mental health, your well-being. Have courage of conviction and practice gratitude.